podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat, heading to the Pasteur-préfecture district. Located next to the University of Law, these small, colorful houses are one of the city's curiosities. To observe them, go to Champ-de-Foire-aux-Boissons street. But why do these houses exist? At the time, it was 1875, and here there was a fair or market in which merchants sold cider and perry. 2 years earlier, in 1873, the mayor at the time and a few magistrates obtained authorization to purchase land to establish a cider market. The chosen location belonged to the Hôtel-Dieu, that is to say, a hospital establishment. It was ceded to the city in May 1783 on 2 conditions: not to be assigned to any other use than that of a drinks fairground, and that no building of more than 10 feet high, or about 3 meters high for our time, so as not to intercept the flow of air for the patients in the hospital. This is how houses were built for cider merchants. This trading activity lasted until the First World War and then gradually disappeared, transforming these houses into housing,